Alright guys, tonight's just past half-lit moon is perfect for crater hunting, which, you can see huge impact scars from billions of years ago on the moon with just a telescope or binoculars. At the first quarter, the terminator, which is the line between night and day on the moon, it casts long shadows, and that makes crater rims and mountains pop in contrast. Now bear with me because some of these craters' names are hard to pronounce, so I gotta look at my notes a couple times. One of the craters worth spotting is Eudoxus, which is about 42 miles across near the Mare Serenitatis. And it has a bunch of shadows now enhancing its depth. Nearby to Eudoxus is Aristoteles, which is about 54 miles wide and sits near the lunar sea of Mare Frigoris. Aristoteles has pretty rugged terrain, and that makes it easy to spot tonight as well. Last, we can see Cassini craters, which is about 35 miles across near Mare Imbrium, and that shows ancient lava flows that partially flooded it, and it even shows that there are some newer impacts that are sprinkled inside. These three craters are named after astronomers and philosophers from history. One of them you probably already know, Aristoteles, is from Aristotle, but the other two, Eudoxus and Cassini, are named after Eudoxus of Cnidus and Giovanni Domenico Cassani.
Margarete.
Un'altra volta, ma adesso vorrei proprio sentire la musica delle parole.
Giovanni Domenico Cassani.
Margarete.
These guys were pretty key figures in early astronomy. You could use binoculars, though, to see these craters. They should help you see in decent amount of detail. You should aim at the lit half of the moon at about an hour after sunset, which is where you could see the craters at its peak visibility. Some of the craters that you see on the moon, which makes it look like the cheese that we always think the moon is made out of, measure tens of hundreds of miles across. And these are formed by ancient asteroid impacts that essentially tell the story of the moon's violent past. Anyways, which crater would you like to see tonight? Drop your telescope setup or drop your photo in the comments. And see you next time, guys.
If you like this kind of content, hit the follow button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. The link is in the bio. Keep expanding your universe, guys. See you next time.